Oh, can you see the tubes up here too? That's the towel, Carrie. Look, wrong way, carousel. Carousel. This way, look. This way. This way. That's it. Good boy. Oh, don't worry. Hey. Round and round we go. Yay, green. We like green, don't we? Well, what are we going now? We're going red? Red? Yeah, we're going red. What colour now? We're going white. Oh, sort of a whitey blue. Does that make you really happy? Yeah? Yeah, your eyes are moving, aren't they? Big tubes. Ooh. Oh, you can see that. Is that good? Can you see that? That's amazing, Carrie, isn't it? Yeah. You're having a green now. Oh, going a little bit closer. Good boy. Yeah, green again. We like green, don't we? What colour is it going to be now? Oh, it's so red. Now it's changing. It was whitey blue again. Yay. It's very lovely blue now. Back to red again. Yeah, is that making you spin? Oh, yeah. That's good, you've lost your way now, haven't you? You can see it still. There it is. Try turning this way a bit. Turn this way a bit so you can see it. Good boy. You see that? Oh, it's gone blue now. Oh, blue, red. Oh, red. Now you're looking up at all the tubes, aren't you? You've only just noticed those, haven't you? Yeah. Can you see that? Make you happy, boy. Does that make you happy, boy? Yeah. Light blue. Ah, oh, make you happy, boy. You're getting sleepy. No, Carrie. Oh, red again. What's your favourite? Green, isn't it? You like the green. Yes, green.